Morning guys, today is the day for the first PCBros car meet in 2024 and we're just getting things started off right now. It's currently 10:39, so the meet starts in about 20 minutes and we've got some cars rolling up now, and what I'm going to do for you guys today is show you guys the coverage on the whole event, and also Jackson's going to do something in front of me, but ruin my video, ruin my clip, but I'm gonna give you guys pretty much the full rundown on all the cars that show up here today because I'm a car photographer at the end of the day. So I'm gonna get you guys some sick shots, some sick B-roll, and we're gonna give you guys the coverage on the full day today, so stay tuned.
Which one burns the most oil?
The one that burns the most oil is gonna be this guy right here. That one's the runner-up. God, we got a lot of cars pulling up now. RX-7, R33, Z3, GTI, tons of really cool cars. FL5 Civic Type R, MG. Yeah, the lineup's looking pretty good, guys. We got a lot of cars pulling in. There's the Z and the other Z from Jackson. It's gonna be a good one, I think. It's gonna be pretty nice. All right guys, so update on the whole meet. Hope you guys enjoyed the little B-roll clips of all the cars that came out and everything, but kind of dying down now. The long line of cars that pulled up and hung out here for a while had just kind of left. Had a couple more cars back there, but yeah, I mean, we're about midway through it, I think. It's 12:43, so about 2 hours in, and you know, today is Derby, so kind of expected less of a turnout, but hey, I mean, the sun definitely came out and allowed everyone to come out to, you know, somewhat nice conditioned meet, so that's kind of nice, but definitely at the chill point of the meet now. Got a lot of people in the store still, so I'd say it's a success. That'll pretty much wrap up this meet. If any other cool cars come in, I'll post some more B-roll clips and things like that for you guys. I think we're gonna do another one of these this year as well, so maybe when it's not Derby and we have some better weather coming up soon, maybe in like June or July, so stay tuned for that one. If you guys can make it out, it's a really cool event, and it's a lot of fun, so.
Mm-hmm.